Welcome to Joe's the Car, guys. So this car is the Snowstorm edition of Hector Plus, which is the 7-seater automatic petrol. So this is one of the editions that comes with the Hector Plus. So if you see, it is having a lot of changes. If you see the grill and all the chrome bits that were there earlier, it is now all black chrome. So if you see, these are all chrome bits, but it is all black chrome, even the MG logo. And also if you see the inserts of the headlight unit, so these are the two projector LED headlights, and there is a fog lamp, and this is the DRL, which also becomes the indicator. So, and you also see the front parking camera. So the changes that you see here are, basically color related. So the styling related. If you see the alloys, they are exactly the same alloys, but they come in black coating. So it's not a matte black. I would say it is a mixture of piano black and metallic black. It is not pure piano black, but it looks different. So if you see, even the roof from here, the roof is painted. This looks piano black. So this is the whole roof is piano black. It looks like a floating roof. Also the roof rails, they are also coated piano black, and the ORVMs. So nice touch here. And this side molding where it says Morris Garages, that was also chrome earlier. So now it is black chrome, including the door handles. So let's take a view from the rear end. Even the chrome that was here is now black chrome. So, and even the Hector Plus badging. So everything is black chrome. Even the rear diffuser, and you see the styling is exactly the same, except the coloring pattern and the chrome. So the chrome element here on the windowsill, this is normal chrome. So you can see the difference. This is normal chrome, this is black chrome, and this is also dark chrome. So it does look very nice. Edition starts at around 22 lakhs. I'll give you the price list as well. And it is fully loaded. It comes in 6-seater, 7-seater option. I'll give you the variants also for this particular Blackstorm edition. Snowstorm, sorry, this is Snowstorm. So you see. So let's move inside. Let's see what the car has in store for us inside. So coming to the inside, if you see the power windows buttons, all are illuminated, and you have child window lock, and you have lock and unlock here. Infinity speakers, so surely a good quality speakers in here. And you have power foldings, power seat adjust. So all these settings here for mirrors, and for your auto dimming of the instrument panel. So you can change the color here, and of course the dicky you can open and close it here. So now that we are inside the car, sorry about a lot of reflection coming from the opposite side, so hope this is clear. So here if you see, this is the cruise control setup. This is all the settings for your volume, your call, and also your voice recognition, and your mirrors, wipers, and for your indicator headlight stock. And if you see the interiors, the quality, it looks really top notch. Everything that you can touch and feel is soft touch. It is having 6 airbags and Snowstorm badging here, if you see. And it has the panoramic sunroof. So let's do one thing, let's switch on the car. So this is the starting, how it starts, MG. And if I click on this once again, it should start the battery as well. This is the instrument panel. So it surely has less fuel. Please refuel. This is the complete touchscreen setup. So you have radio, you have a theme store. Alright, so Hector Plus is telling me that the fuel is very low, so I need to fill it. So this is not my car, MG. I'm just here to look at the car in the showroom. So you can see JioSaavn app. You have the AC controls here and the date and time. And if you see down, you have transmission. So you have eco mode. You can select eco mode here. I don't know if you can see. This is eco mode. This is park, reverse, neutral, drive, sports mode, and you can change the gears manually as well. So if I take it a little closer, so here if you can see, these are ventilated seats. So I have switched on ventilated seats, and yes, I can feel the air in my bums and back. So relax. That's really nice. Parking, rear electric parking, auto hold. This is the front parking sensor, and this is for the rear AC. So if you select this, the rear AC works. If you switch it off, the rear guys will get annoyed. This is the cup holders. Good that it is covered so that when not in use, at least it can be clean. And this is a not very big, but only my half hand goes inside. The glove box is adequate, I would say. Very nice, soft touch, soft fall it has. The mirrors are autochromatic. You have the sunglass holder here, and the lights, of course, and you have the sunshade. This is the shade opening, and the roof is, of course, opens. If you see, it is all one touch. And to close the shade, there's another button. So this is the button to close the shade, and this is to open the shade, and this is for the lights, and this is for only the sunshade. So I'll just open it again for some more light inside. So I think we have covered most part of the interiors. This really looks nice. Now I'm getting tempted to exchange my Scorpio-N with the Hector Plus. Let's do one thing. Let's go back and look at the seating, how it is. So here I am at the rear end, and this is how it looks. So you can see these are the vents for the rear passengers. You have charging ports as well. You have a A-type charger. You can change the vents, and you have back pockets, and you have infinity written here as well. You see, infinity speakers and power windows. So the speakers should be around 8, I believe. You have 6 airbags all through, and lights here, and this is also soft close. So that's really nice. And if you see, the legroom I have is pretty good. You have a lot of legroom, and it looks really premium. If I compare it to my Scorpio N, it has a much more premium look. So let's check out the rear. So let's open the boot. It is an electric boot, which is very fast. It opens in just a few seconds. And if you see, it has a Audi-like styling where the lights and the boot lid goes up, and if in case the indicators were on, these are the lights which would have been on. Let me do one thing. Let me switch them on. All right. So now you can see the lights are on. So this is when the boot is open. So if I close the boot, which you can see now with the touch of a button, so the lights got transferred to the top part, the top lights, which are on the boot lid itself. So this is a really nice touch. So in the rear you can see the Hector badging. This is plus, so this is 7-seater. So let's see the seats and the boot behind. So if you see, you do have boot light, and you have settings for air conditioning. And let's keep the seats up. So if you want to go to the third row that is behind this, the option is to, and this is all it does. So we'll have to go from here. Seating is basically only for kids, I believe, so only small kids can sit here. But yes, of course, this is mainly a car for the first and second row. And if you see the ambient lighting, the color keeps changing. And let's see the lights from in front as well. Just a minute. So if we switch on the indicator, let's see how it shows. So if you see, we have 360-degree camera, right? And this is the camera that we are viewing. You can also view in 2D, and you can select the camera from here. And this is the parking sensor, so it will show you what it will sound if there is some incoming issues. And let's switch on the parking light. So let's have a look at how the indicators are. So if you see the indicators, as the boot is open, indicators, only the below ones are working. Let's switch off, close the boot. So it is closed, and you see the flowing indicator. So that's it from my side today. I mean, this is one of the best mid-sized SUV if you're looking for a 7-seater. It starts around the XUV 700 pricing. So if you're looking for XUV 700, Scorpio N, Safari, so this is a good competitor and a good buy. So it'll be a little bit or more on the plush side, and it has a very good interior, very good setup, and all the bells and whistles if you need in one simple car. This is the car that you have to go for. So Hector Plus, and this is the new edition, that is the Snowstorm edition. So that was the Hector Plus for you. This is the Snowstorm edition. It looks really plush, and so if in case you're planning to buy a 7-seater, plush 7-seater, which is a monocoque chassis, this is one car you should visit the showroom for. Alright, so if you have been watching, thank you, and till we meet again, God bless.